formula for your midpoint was, right, it was, I don't know, your midpoint formula was x equals x1 plus x2 on 2. So this time your midpoint is 3. Maybe we should label this x2 and y2 so I don't confuse you guys. All right, x equals 3, which is the midpoint already given, right? This is technically your x, your y. This is x1, y1. 3 equals 0, x1 plus x2 on 2, right? And then for my y value, y equals to 6, which is y1, plus y2, which I don't have, on 2. So you can see it's pretty much the same formula. The only difference to what we were doing before is I gave you x2 and y2, and therefore you found, your actual midpoint. This time I'm saying, I'll give you the midpoint. Can you find me the coordinate that it was previously? So you can see it'll look something like this. And then, as you guys just mentioned, times it by 2, and you get 6 equals x2. There you go, you're already done with that. Times it by 2. 12 equals 2 plus y2. Take away the 2, 10. So therefore B is 6 and 10. Does that make sense, you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, 100% will be in your exam. So let's try B. If the midpoint of AB, so they gave you that, and 9, 9 is 6, 2, what are the values of A and B? All right, let's do that. Let's do B. If the midpoint of AB and 9, 9 is 6, 2, and 9, 9 is 6, 2. So this is your midpoint. Well, here we go. 6 equals A plus 9 divided by 2, right? That's your midpoint. 2 equals B plus 9 divided by 2. Let's have a look. X1 plus X2 divided by 2 equals midpoint. Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2 equals midpoint. And then times 2, that becomes 12. Take away 9. That's A equals to 3 times 2. And take away 9. Therefore, it's 3 and negative 5. Any questions there? Anissa, are you getting confused again with this?
No, this makes sense.
This one makes, oh, okay. This is the one that's meant to be harder. If midpoint is 5 and P, 7 and negative 4. So if the midpoint of this and this is 6, 3, what's the value of P? So 5P, 7 and negative 4. All right, wait. C. 5P, 7, negative 4. The midpoint was 6 and 3. 6, 3. Well, I guess in this case, because you're only missing the one letter, why do you want to do the x's? Right, so we might as well just focus on the y value. P plus minus 4 on 2 must equal to the y value, which is 3. So again, y1 plus y2, divided by 2 equals the midpoint of y's. and finish it off. Times 2. P minus 4 equals 6. Add it. 6 plus 4. P equals to 10. And lucky last one, I guess. D, if the midpoint of x5, 9y is 1, 6. x5, 9y, 1, 6. Let's have a look. x5, 9y, midpoint is 1, 6. I might just give it to you guys for a minute. Just try it out. x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is 1. Y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is 6. Try to see if you can solve it real quick. Okay, let's finish it off. Lucky last. X plus 9 divided by 2 equals 1. 5 plus y divided by 2 equals 6. And then times it by 2, subtract by 9. Times it by 2, subtract by 5. All right, any questions, you guys?